Another beautiful day down here at Haulover Inlet. Welcome back, crew, to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at beautiful Haulover Inlet in Miami. Today's going to be an interesting one, a little bit of a rough day, but let's see how our captains fare as they do battle with the inlet. And this, of course, is going to bring us to the first round of our contest. And here in the first round, the boats are going to toss a well-crafted scarab in the ring to see if they can go ahead and get on the board first. But let's go, ring the bell, round one, and Cap's got her opened up. He's got that throttle down, boat up on plane, letting this thing eat as it works its way toward the mouth of the inlet. And Cap is going to have an easy cruise straight into the mouth of Haulover, taking an easy win for the boats here in the first round. Conditions are supposed to progressively get worse throughout the day, so hopefully Haulover can pick it up and try and get on the board. But here in the second round, the boats are going to toss a sea ray in the ring to see if they can keep their momentum going. And here we go, round two. But as you can tell, it's starting to pick up just a little bit more than we saw there in the first round, and our crew winds up stuffing it. They had people in the bow. Cap was taking it easy as he came in, and the next thing you know, they fall into the trough, and the boat winds up going bow first into the wave in front of it, with the whole crew on the bow absolutely soaked on this one. This is why coming into an inlet with a following sea can be a dangerous thing. You always have to pay attention to how you're going. One of the key factors when you see something like this is typically just trying to post up on the back of a wave and riding it in, or making sure you get that bow as high as you can. And one thing I really would recommend is getting these people out of the bow. The extra weight that's up in the front doesn't necessarily help, and unfortunately for this crew, they wind up taking a loss for the boats, meaning we're going to move on to the third round of our contest, now tied at 1 apiece. And here in the third round, the boats are going to toss a cigarette speedboat in the ring to see if they can go ahead and try and take the lead. But here we go, round three, same deal. Our captain's leaning into those throttles, getting this boat up on plane, and actually running it pretty hard, and looks extremely solid. It makes easy work of Haulover on this one, easily taking a win for the boats in the third round, giving the boats the 2-1 edge as we move into the fourth round of our competition. And here in the fourth round, the boats are going to toss a Chris Craft in the ring to see if they can close this one out early, as Haulover's got to take a win in this round to stay alive. But here we go, Cap up on plane, looking solid again, banging around. What's hanging down? Something dropped. Haulover smacked him around, knocked something loose, and wound up on the deck of the boat. I'm not 100% sure what that was. I don't know if it was some sort of light bar or what. They're trying to put it back up here, but Haulover got the better of him in this situation, banged that thing loose, knocked it to the ground, and is going to give Haulover the win here in the fourth round, which is going to bring us to a 2-2 tie. As we move into the fifth and final round of our contest, who will take the win in this episode? Will it be the boats? Haulover? Let's go ahead and find out, as the boats are going to toss a yellowfin in the ring to see if they can close it out. This is a big island running boat right here, and speaking of island running, if you guys have ever been interested in taking your boat to the Bahamas, hang out to the end of the video so we can talk to you. But speaking of hanging out, our crew is making light work of Haulover, easily going to take the win for the boats, which means the boats will take the win in this episode. Thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we have the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here. And for those who hung out with any interest in running your boat to the Bahamas, it's that time of year again where the Wavy Guru Productions team will be down at the Palm Beach Boat Show hosting our seminar on how to take your boat to the Bahamas. We will be there on Friday, March 27th at 2 p.m. and then Saturday, March 28th at 11 a.m. at the seminar booth. Feel free to stop by and check that out and say hello to somebody from the team. It's a great opportunity for you to learn what it takes to actually take your vessel over to the Bahamas. It can be intimidating going to another country sometimes, so we've done a couple things to make it really easy, like joining us. That's right, we're also going to be hosting a fling in collaboration with the Bahamas Tourism Ministry on June 18th, where you can join us going from Fort Lauderdale over to the Bahamas on your own boat. Details are available on Bahamas.com boating.com. Under the Getting Here tab, you will see a boating section, and there you will see listed the boating flings. If you go down to the June 18th fling, you will get all the information you need to be able to join us in the Bahamas. But I'll leave a link in the description below that will take you over to this page. We are limited to 30 boats. This is the third time we've done this event, and every single time we do it, it fills out. So if you have any interest at all, I would go there and register as soon as possible. It doesn't cost anything today to actually register to join us on the fling. There is a reference code you can use in here, and that reference code will be BG2026. By using this reference code, you will be entered in to some raffles at the captain's meeting, but we look forward to seeing you guys in the Bahamas.